Hey guys, good morning. Ed here, and today we have this Chrysler Pacifica. In this quick video I'd like to show you how to replace your taillight bulbs in your taillights. So let's start. Okay, so we have bulbs here and we have bulbs here. So first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna open the trunk. Now okay, I'm gonna start with this thing. So we're gonna grab a flathead screwdriver right here and just try to get it in and open this lid. Okay, like this. After that, you can see that over here we have a connector which goes into the tail light with the bulb. So we just spin it like this. Okay, and here we have a bulb. To remove the bulb, we're just gonna take it off with our fingers. Just grab it. Like this, and remove. Okay. When you're gonna put on the new bulb, try to use gloves or something. Just wrap it in paper and then plug it in. Now, when you have the new one, just put it in and close it till it clicks. After that, just swipe in, put it in and secure it. So spin it till it clicks. All right. Now take the lid, find the correct position, and carefully, little by little, put it in. Because this plastic is very brittle and the clips tend to break. Just put one end first and carefully close the lid. That's it. This light is a little bit different. For that we're gonna need T30 Torque screwdriver, and what we're gonna do, we're gonna remove these two bolts right here, this one and this one. So let's do that. Okay, so I have my screws out right here. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna try to get the bulb out, the light out. So how do we do this? Try not to force it on the side, try to just pull it towards yourself. So you're gonna need two hands to do this, okay? I'm gonna try to, I can't film it. I need somehow, I'm just gonna pull it towards myself. Okay, so what are we trying to do? We're trying to get these pins, okay, this one and there's another one under it, out of the holes. Okay, so basically just push. Another thing is, you might want to, you can put a screwdriver here, okay, and carefully, little by little, before that you can put some tape, rubber, like electric tape over the screwdriver, so you can just carefully just notch it, you know, and it will help you to get the light out. Now here we have all the bulbs. So same procedure like upper, just spin it, remove it. Okay, same thing. So do whatever you have to do. Okay. Once you're done, bulb the light back in, make sure these holes are aligned. Once everything is nice and neat, just tap on the light and get it back in place. That's it. Don't hit too hard, you might break this plastic right here. Okay, then we just put the two screws back in and we're gonna be all done. Alright guys, I hope this helps. If it does, please press like button. Have a great day. Bye bye.